40mm China Aviation Chronograph Seagull Movement 1963, Mechanical Watch for Men 40mm ST1901 Sapphire 38mm Watches Men's 2020 Pilot. This product uses the original Seagull ST1901 movement. Seagull Movement Factory is one of the 4 famous movement factories in the world. Seagull movement sales account for 1/4 of the world movement sales. ST1901 movement is a very classic chronograph movement with precise design and stable travel time. Its prototype is Venus 175 movement, the representative of classical movement. Venus Company was founded in 1924, and its works have a good reputation in the 1920s to 1950s market.